Welcome to a SIM code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will learn about cryptocurrency wallet. This wallet will generate a private key, derive a public key from it, and provide a basic interface for checking balances. We'll also use the ECDSA library to handle the creation of keys, and Hashlib for some basic hashing. Our simple cryptocurrency wallet in Python. Requirements. You will need to install the ECDSA library. You can do that using pip install ECDSA, pip install base 58. Function to generate a private key. Function to generate public key from private key. Function to create Bitcoin-like address from public key. SHA-256 hash of the public key. RIPEMD 160 hash of the SHA-256. Mainnet version byte for Bitcoin. For testnet, use X6F. Four-byte checksum. Final address, version plus hash plus checksum. Base 58 encoding for Bitcoin address. Function to print wallet details. Main entry point. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASIM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.